Hello guys, you agree with me that it is the joy of every creator here on YouTube to get that break of virality to explode on their channels, okay? Now to achieve this success or this reality comes with strategy and intentionality, exactly. Now in this video I'm going to be exposing to you some unique features in your YouTube studio you've been ignoring or don't pay attention to, okay? That is costing you your channel to go viral and to get that break. What? I crave your indulgence as I walk you through these unique features in your YouTube studio that are meant for your advantage. Without further ado guys, let's dive right into my phone to get this over and done with. So this is my YouTube studio, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go straight to the analytics section of this YouTube studio. Clicking on it is going to load up like this. So this is the value you're going to get, okay? Starting with this, you can see that you can even search for how did viewers find your content. How many new viewers did I reach? Summarize my latest video performance. You see why it's good to check your analytics. This is where the blueprint lies to get that major break you need or you crave for so much on your channel. Now we're going to go straight to trends. We're making use of this feature called trends. Clicking on it, you're going to see get ideas for your next video. Alright, now this is where the magic lies. This is where the magic lies, guys. As a strategic YouTuber, you don't create videos randomly. You don't create what you want. You create what people want to see. And that is how you get that major break on your channel. Okay, irrespective of niche. Okay. Now, the reason why you're seeing this is because I'm into YouTube growth tutorials. Alright. That's why you're seeing things relating to how to start a YouTube channel, how to complete 4,000 watch time hours, and how to increase public watch time. Is because my channel is into this niche. If you are into entertainment, comedy or others, you're going to see things relating to that niche as well. Okay, now going downward, you can see new videos to inspire you, like what you are seeing right here. So this is what is actually trending. That is why this section is called trends. Okay, now to see more of these suggestions, you just click on show all. Clicking on show all, more suggestions are gonna come through. Okay, now if you want to click on any individual suggestion right here, you're gonna have a much more deeper insight on how to go about that topic. Like let's click on how to increase reach on YouTube. Now clicking on it, these are videos relating to that. All right, how to get out of small channel. You can see this. You can see you see it. These videos are relating to this particular suggestion we just clicked. As you can see, how to increase reach on YouTube, we clicked on it. Now if you want to brainstorm video ideas, you can also click on this particular one to brainstorm video ideas. So the advantage of this particular trends is to guide you on the best suggestion, the best topic to create video around. All right, as you can see, how to get more views on YouTube, the volume is high on search, is high on demand. Hey guys, I guarantee that use these features as a blueprint to create your future videos. Your channel is going to be experiencing this altitude to virality on instead. Okay, if you got value from this, please do well to share, to subscribe, and to like, and leave a positive comment, okay, for other people to understand that you really got value from the video. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.